UBPS really benefits our partners by simplifying the process. If you know a university environment, you know that everything is siloed, everyone is working individually, and it's really challenging for an outside company to be able to navigate and understand where they want to partner, where they can engage. And so our job is to give them one way in. One person they can always pick up the phone and call and talk to and really have access and support in ways they wouldn't otherwise.
We follow a bottom-up approach where we actively engage a variety of campus stakeholders. This includes our students, our faculty, our staff, and alumni. They are the experts within their fields. They are the ones who actually know their audiences better, and each of them is important to ensuring that we build out this larger collaborative and meaningful relationship with our partners.
We have stakeholders who inform the partnership process from the very beginning, from formulating what industry might be appropriate for an eventual partnership, all the way through the RFP or request for proposal process to vetting potential partners.
We're really working on managing the campus needs, the campus desires, but also the priorities of the partner. And so that's why we give them the opportunity to come back and propose what would work best for them.
All that input in the partnership process is really fundamental to shaping an appropriate agreement.
And then when the proposals come in, we rely on the working group to actually evaluate and grade those proposals. So it's not our office making the selection of the partner. It's the working group evaluating the proposals, what's going to work for them, and they'll make the recommendation up to the advisory committee. What we're really looking for is a way to provide benefit to both our partners and our stakeholders so that they can grow and evolve together in their partnership.